In this video, I want to show you how to get your HubSpot tasks to show up onto your Google Calendar. This process is very similar if you use Outlook, but I'm going to be walking through the step-by-step process for getting them to show up in Google. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I'm the owner of Boolean Automation. We are an automation no-code consulting company that helps painting companies get the most out of their software and their apps by connecting them all together, automating the mundane, boring processes that nobody likes to do, and freeing you up to do more of what you love, whether that's talking to clients, spending time with your family, going fishing, or whatever that is. So if that's of interest, subscribe to the channel. And let's get into this video on how to get your HubSpot task to show up on your Google Calendar. So first thing we're going to do is, this is a part of a larger video series that I'm doing on setting up HubSpot for painting sales rep. So if you go into the general settings here, you should have already connected your calendar. If you haven't, you can go watch that in a separate video. But this calendar setup here says that it's connected. And then right here, it says task calendar sync. So if you want to connect to your calendar, you first need to hop over to Gmail. And right here, you're going to click on this plus button, and we're going to create a new calendar. And we're going to call this, for Luke Skywalker, I'm going to say Luke S. HubSpot Tasks. Create that calendar. And now that I've created that, when I go back over to here, I should be able to see, and you need to refresh your page. So refresh the browser. And then you will see right here that if I look for Luke S, there's the account. So now what that means, and this is the part that's really cool, I can hit save. And if I go over to, this is just to test it out, if I go over to tasks and I create a task for myself, so we're going to ignore that and say create a task, and this task is going to be called call Darth and tell him I love him. And Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, haha. Okay, thank you guys. So we're going to not associate with anybody. The rest of that doesn't really matter. And the due date is going to be on Tuesday. So in 2 days. And so I click create. And just for the sake of it, we're going to just do one more. Tell Princess Leia we won. And we're going to go ahead and save that one as well. And so now, if I go look over at my Google Calendar and refresh this, and pick today. So you can see right here that I have now 2 tasks on my calendar. And the nice thing about this is if you have your other personal information, you have this on a separate calendar. So I can toggle on and off my HubSpot tasks. And then the only other thing I like to point out is because it's now synced to your calendar, this can actually get really valuable when you start timing or scheduling out when are you going to call this person back. So it could be like call the emperor, and I'm going to do this tomorrow at 1 p.m. or let's do noon. So I click that. If I put any notes in here, this is a test to see what it looks like. And so I click create. And now in my Google Calendar, we'll refresh this. And there you go. It says call the emperor. And if I click on that, you can see that the notes shows up there. And then this is, I think, probably the coolest part is you can actually view the task. So if I click that, it's going to take me directly into that task inside of HubSpot. So really, really awesome feature to connect your HubSpot task to your Google Calendar. If that's valuable, please like the video. It does great things for the algorithms, so they say. But my name is Chris with Boolean Automation, where we free you up to do what you love. We'll see you in the next video.